Hey everybody. I'm here today just to really quickly guide you through the work for today. It is the 24th, so this is our Tuesday assignment. We're going to start working on our outline for the essay on Gatsby's death, and I don't expect that we're going to get the whole outline done today, but I want to show you what does need to get done so you're on the right page. So you'll find this assignment called Gatsby's Death Essay Outline, and the question is here. Who or what is most responsible for Gatsby's death? So it could be a who. You could be talking about Gatsby, Nick, Daisy, Tom, or it could be what. You could talk about nostalgia. You could talk about love. You could talk about fate. I think talking about a what is more challenging. So if you want to give yourself a challenge, go for a what, but you can also certainly go for a who. So here's what we're going to start with first is our thesis statement. If you look back at the work you did yesterday where you were brainstorming, you came up with 3 different possibilities. So this person came up with Gatsby, Tom, and Daisy. I gave you the example of Nick. So I'm going to say Nick. So my thesis will be Nick is most responsible for Gatsby's death. And then add the because, right? Because he could have stopped Gatsby from engaging in actions that directly led to his demise. And demise is just another word for death. And then we're going to want reasons. Now, luckily, I gave reasons here yesterday. So if you came up with multiple reasons for each character, you can kind of just copy and paste them. So I'm going to copy my reason 1, and maybe you didn't have reasons, maybe you didn't come up with 3 reasons, so you might need to come up with more reasons. Here's my second reason. And here is my third reason. So there are my 3 reasons why I think Nick is most responsible. Let's make that Nick. Cool. Now, this one here, Nick knows that Gatsby wants to repeat the past and doesn't stop him, even though he knows how dangerous this idea is. The bullet point beneath my reason is going to be for evidence. To help you find evidence, I've embedded the page-by-page guide, so you can click that link up top. And this is where I'm going to find my evidence. Now, these are not quotes. This is just page numbers where you can find the quotes. A quick tip for you here is to do Control F once it loads. And then you can search. So I'm going to see if I can find repeat, because I think I actually maybe have a thing where it says Gatsby wants to repeat the past. There it is. Nice. That's on page 110. So for my evidence here, I'm going to add 110. Gatsby says he wants to repeat the past to Nick. Now, if I wanted to go for like an A or an A+, I might add in a second piece of evidence. Let me see if there's anything else about Gatsby wanting to go back to the past. Maybe here, where Gatsby wants Daisy to tell Tom that she never loved him. So that's 131. So I'll add that to my outline. 131, Gatsby wants Daisy to say she never loved him. Nice. So what I've got here is my thesis, my reasons 1, 2, and 3, and I've got evidence. And I've even got 2 pieces of evidence for my first reason. So by the end of today, here's what you need. You need your thesis, 3 reasons, and at least 1 piece of evidence for each reason. If you can do more than 1 piece of evidence or more than 3 reasons, you will get a higher score, and also you'll do better on your essay. As always, please email me at bryce.klatsky@uasdc.org with questions. I'm going to be here all day answering questions, so let me know. All right, good luck, everybody.